Hello, my curious time travelers. In Tamil Nadu, there is a lake whispered to hold mysterious serpent. Locals say it appears only once every 10 years, guarding a hidden treasure beneath the water. No one knows when it will surface next or what will happen if it does. The lake lies deep among rolling hills and dense forest, surrounded by mist in the early mornings. From distance, it looks calm and peaceful, like any other water body. But according to local tales, beneath the placid surface lies a creature both feared and revered. For generations, villagers have reported glimpses of long serpent-like body moving just under the water. The creature is said to be enormous, its scales shimmering when the sun touches the lake. But it only surfaces once a decade, usually around a specific time, as if it's on a secret schedule known only to itself. Legends say this serpent is not evil, it is guardian. The secret it protects is unknown, but some claims it's ancient coins, lost relics, and sacred artifacts. Pilgrims and treasure hunters alike have tried to see and capture it, but the lake refuses to give up its secrets. Scientists have visited the lake, recording ripples and unusual waves, but nothing concrete has ever been documented. Some suggest natural phenomena like long snakes or floating logs could explain sightings. Yet villagers insist that they have seen is no ordinary creature. The pattern, timings, and the behavior point to something far more mysterious. Those who have been close to witnessing the serpent describe a mix of awe and fear. Some say air grows colder and strange silence falls over the lake just before it rises. Others support the feeling of unshakable sense of being watched, as if the guardians know who is near. The last recorded surfacing happened a decade ago, leaving many who were speechless. No autograph exists that fully captures it, and many accounts are dismissed as folklore. But one question remains. What is that serpent guarding, and why does it surface so rarely? For now, the lake keeps its secrets, waiting silently for the next decade. And when the serpent rises again, it will spark wonder, fear, and countless stories of guardian unlike anything that the world has ever seen.